UMLA Kamau Kurwat Uba Renekton El Tongkhar Ulapan Pau Baka Jingtih Uranium Southwest Khasil District Kanwanra Karoi Kapar Hakanika District Hindu Ulapan Tikanapat Baka Koit Khiah Jago Paidbah Wan Shwa Hakaman Ulong ru badang bon ki eki badang haban sngau thu hakliang ga jingshagan ka Koit ka Khiah ladati uranium marka sarkar ka haban shimi ga jing ai jing mut jang baro balada ki Paidbah ki persha ekani om dan jimun toy banle ekani ga kam karkum ki jingtep ka radiation ga khlang bha om tang hakani ga jaka ka badan uranium hindre halinter ka nong ba jendren barah ki wa ki bamarjan.
You see the people, NGOs, Arakan's, and even most of the political parties also they are still against uranium mining. At this very point of time, I cannot say much how bad it will be. Of course, if we look from the developmental scheme point of view, we know that lots of development will come to our area, to that side. But of course, we cannot compromise development with the health of the people. So we still need to understand how safe if the uranium mining take place. I think the government or any corporation who will do the mining, they should be able to satisfy everybody. They have to take everybody on board, and we should be convinced that it is 100% safe, that we will not compromise with the health of the people over there. So about saying that whether it will be, as of now, people don't want uranium mining. That's very, very clear. So the thing is that personally I feel that there are many good things, but if the people don't want, I think there's no point of doing good thing if people still agitated and still don't want to do that. So I will not be able to say in short whether uranium mining should be done in near future or should be cancel it. Of course, as of now, we all demanded that there should not be uranium mining, especially from our party. The father of the party, HSPDP, he kept publicly saying throughout his life that he was totally against uranium mining. So if you are asking me from the party point of view, we are totally against uranium mining.
Habakran pat ikakai phot kabami ahlor ka jingpathai ki tang thep jaklea ki bami ne ka jingtih uranium uba tongkhar ulong baka sarkar jala kalarai banthung na ka kinhun start hagani ka benta banwar banya ahlor kane